If Google made a music playing application that all of us could download on our Android phone, this is exactly what it would look like. Guys, this is an application called Pixel Play, and honestly, it has to be the best offline music player app that I have ever installed on my phone. Everything from the animations of this application to how the music bar progresses all the way to the animations that you get from pressing the buttons is just something that works without any hiccups. And really, this is an open source app that all music lovers like you and me should install on their phone. And yeah, it's just one of the best apps that I have used till now. Now, this app is the first app in today's top open source Android apps list. And you know, all these applications that I'll talk about in this video, I've been using for quite some time. And these are just my personal recommendations of free and open source apps that you guys should be using. What's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to another app video. If you guys do enjoy this video, feel free to hit on that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and with that said, let's get started. Moving on to the second application, tell me if this sounds familiar. We take so many screenshots on our Android phones that when we open our gallery, it does look a little bit cluttered. Well, this application is called Photo Swooper, and it literally brings a dating app like style where if you swipe left, you can delete the photo, and if you swipe right, you can keep the photo. And the best part is that the app randomizes all photos and videos on your phone. So maybe you know there are few photos and videos that are absolutely at the bottom of your gallery, but they're useless, but you never end up seeing them, so you never end up deleting them. Well, with this application, you can review all the items that you swipe and then decide if you want to keep them or not. You can also click on a photo and see the info of where that photo is, in what album, what's the size, and all of that. Now again, to make our galleries clutter-free on your Android phone, I think this is also a must-have app, and I've been having a lot of fun with it, so I think you guys will also enjoy it. Feel free to check it out. Before we move on to the next application, guys, I would like to talk about a tool that I have been using for so long now that has genuinely leveled up my workflow, and of course, I'm talking about Fiverr. Now, we did an entire series on hiring freelancers from Fiverr, so in case you guys have seen those videos, you already know that Fiverr is my one-stop platform for anything that I want to get freelance. Now, I've literally had designers make a brand new logo for my channel, and not just that, I have also commissioned an entire website by an artist on Fiverr. Not just that, I've taken a lot of raw footage, sent it to a video editor on Fiverr, and they have color graded it to perfection. And video editors have also edited shorts as well as Instagram reels. And honestly, I don't know how I would get everything done as a content creator if it wasn't with the help of Fiverr. So in case you guys already didn't know about it, Fiverr is an amazing platform where you can find freelancers for literally anything, whether that is photo editing, design, video editing, website creation, app building, as well as a bunch of other categories that you can see on the screen right now. Chances are Fiverr has somebody extremely talented who can get this done for you. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to leave my Fiverr link in the description below, and you can go to their website from that link and check out all the services, and hopefully you can find a service that is going to really help your workflow and you can get something done on Fiverr. And because you guys are so lovely and watched this till the end, I'll also leave my personal coupon code Anubhav10 that you can use to get 10% off on your first order on Fiverr. So feel free to check them out. And with that said, let's talk about the next application. For the next application on today's list, check out my quick notifications tile. Over here, I've got everything from an actually functioning compass that reacts as I move my phone to different cool elements like a dice roll or a coin flip. I also have a lux meter and a leveling tool that works as I tilt my phone. And honestly guys, this is an application called Toolkit Tiles that adds these really useful as well as fun quick tiles to your notification tray. And whether you've needed a handy tool like a compass on your quick settings tile, or you've just wanted to do a coin toss with your friends and find out what the answer is, this is a free and open source app that will let you add all of these quick tiles to your settings. So definitely check this one out as well. It's really fun. Moving on guys, I have probably the best application that you can use to transfer files across different devices, whether that is an Android device and an iPhone, whether that is a MacBook and your Android phone, or your Windows PC and your iPhone or Android phone. This is an open source app that I have been using for a long time. Maybe some of you know about it, but for those of you that don't, this is a one-stop solution for all your transferring needs. The name of this application is called Local Send, and all you have to do is install this on the device that you want to transfer to. Let's say on an iPhone and an Android phone, stay connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and you can select all your files, all your videos, whatever you want to share, and transfer it just like that to the other device. It's seamless, it works every time, there are no ads, and the UI of the app is really clean. And as I said, it's already open source, definitely must have, check it out. Moving on guys, we have a all-in-one one toolbox tool for all your photos called Image Toolbox. And you can let me know in the comments below if you have ever seen an application that has these many tools for all your photo editing needs. Everything from editing tools to creating tools that let you remove the background of photos to different image tools where you can convert any image format to any other image format, like turning a JPEG to a PNG and vice versa, and different tools that let you create PDFs with different images together, and just everything that you could ever think of, including compressing images as well as resizing them. This app has it all. It's called Image Toolbox. Again, it's totally free, it's totally open source, it's got no ads, and all of these tools work really well for all the intended purposes. So if you do even a little bit of photo editing on your phone, I feel like this is an app that you install and forget about, and it comes very useful whenever you need to use it. Finally guys, the last app is an app that will really let you save some time if you are somebody who constantly goes into their settings and turns on a private DNS server to basically use your phone ad-free. Now every time you need to turn on a private DNS like dns.adguard.com, you have to go into your settings, then to private DNS, and then set this and then turn it off manually as well, right? Well, this application is called QuickTile Settings, and it literally lets you add the private DNS toggle with multiple DNS options straight on your notification tray as another QuickTile. Now you do need to give it ADB commands, and you can do that either through a normal ADB process, or if you have running Shizuku on your phone, it can do it through that as well. But either way, it's just a quick fix where you can now quickly turn on private DNS with a single tap, and you can save a lot of time that way. Once again, really cool app. Feel free to check them out from the links below. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, those were my list of 6 really amazing open source apps that I have been currently using. So I thought I'll make a quick video and I'll share it with you guys as well. If you guys did enjoy it, let me know in the comments below which was your favorite application. And of course, we'll keep these videos coming. But for that, we need your like and your support. So make sure to hit on that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and make sure you share this video with your friends as well. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Anubhav signing out. I'll catch you guys next time. Take care, stay safe, and peace out. Bye-bye.